Hi friends! Today I'm gonna be making old-fashioned donuts. Old-fashioned donuts were my all-time favorite when I was a kid. I used to buy it at Mr. Donuts, the biggest donut chain in Japan. I recreated copycat recipe of the Mr. Donuts. It comes out so perfect that I should be sharing it with you. Let's get started. First, shift the white sugar, if there are any lumps, into a medium-sized bowl and mix with 1 large egg. Whisk well and then add melted warm unsalted butter and mix well until the sugar dissolves. In a separate bowl, sift together the flour and baking powder. Make a well in the center and pour in the egg mixture. Toss all the ingredients and mix well until it forms a dough. Seems like a dry dough and it doesn't look it comes together, but do not worry about it. After resting the dough in a refrigerator for 1 hour, it makes a pliable dough. It should be a drier dough to get the desired texture. Wrap it in a piece of plastic. Shape it into a rectangular shape and put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Gluten will relax while resting the dough and makes a crispy texture outside. After 1 hour, take it out from the fridge and divide it into 8. It may not be easy to handle at first. Loosen the dough by using your palm to make a pliable dough. Shape into a log 20 cm long. Try removing the air inside the dough. Flatten one end and wrap the other end just like you are shaping the bagels and put it together and make a smooth surface. And repeat the process. Put it on a parchment paper. Cut the slit in the center, about 3 mm in depth. What this does is when you deep fry the old-fashioned donut, the slit will open and it enables to cook through and makes a signature look of that old-fashioned donut. Heat your vegetable oil for frying up to 160 degrees Celsius and carefully slide the donut into the oil. Deep fry for a couple of minutes and flip it over and cook another couple of minutes. And look at that! It's just like the store-bought old-fashioned donut. To finish off, dip it in the melted chocolate in a small bowl halfway up to the entire donuts. Shake off any excess and press on a parchment paper until set. You will need more chocolate than you actually use for the beautiful finishing. Wrap the leftover in the plastic wrap and keep it for another use. The outside is crispy and the inside is so soft and moist. It is made with such simple ingredients, but it's the best of the donut. You can serve it as it is, but today I made it for my friend's kid's birthday cake. He likes it so much and I serve a cookie of 16, literally a sweet 16, and decorate it with a birthday ribbon. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. and my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!